Can I have a great trading week? Yes. Am I going to make a lot of money this week? Only time will tell. We're about to find out. No, we're going to see. I like the trade idea for the shorts. Yeah, I'm getting my subs right here. I'll give you a nice little full start. Risking 100 points on NAS and still getting stopped out is crazy work. Payout, he's been trading for a little bit now. He just got his first live account payout.
Yeah, anything is possible. Put your mind to it. Do not stop. Do not give up. Don't be like the other 99%.
Between today and any other days, we just had CPI about 40 minutes ago. Definitely try to hold that previous high. Bro, the axle snapped. That's what it felt like. It felt like a pop tire. That's TP2 on that trade for anybody that took the trade. If I win 1 to 2 good trades this week on the live account, I can get another withdrawal. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm Andre Diaz. I'm a 22-year-old day trader, self-employed entrepreneur, content creator, whatever you want to call me. Just know that I'm living life on my own terms, doing what I love, changing lives, and just 1% a day. We're improving 1% a day. I'm not the best version of myself, but I promise myself I'm going to keep improving 1% a day. That's what we're going to do. Yesterday, we had a break-even trade, as you guys know from the vlog. Today, we're going to see what we can do. It is Tuesday. We're going to see what opportunities present itself. Can I have a great trading week? Yes. Am I going to make a lot of money this week? Only time will tell. We're about to find out. I'm probably going to try to mix trading my funded account, mix with trading my live account because I'm almost at this payout for the funded. So we're going to lock that in. But with that being said, let's hop on the charts. Have a great day, productive day. I'm see you with the team. For the people that are curious about joining the team, just make sure you click that first link in the description and you'll be able to get access every single morning with us trading, along with the hours upon hours upon hours upon hours, the one-on-one calls. All the above. If you want access to that, just click the first link. But let's see what we can do. It's like I would want us to hit these lows. Like even looking at ES, NAS, and 30, they all look very similar. I would say at least run these previous low. You know what I'm saying? It's Tuesday. At least from there, if you want to go bullish, it'll make sense. But I at least want to see these lows get ran. I don't want to see a situation, Jay, like how we do this shit. Like we made it as a joke, but this shit really been happening like back to back. I'm not trying to see that. I'm trying to see it drop, hit that low, and that could be a smooth trade. But you know what? We're going to see. I like the trade idea for the shorts. Like I said, NAS looks like the out of the 2, 3, it could be the one that just drops off going straight into 930. I would need US 30 at least retrace, which would be something that I would be waiting for. But if it don't happen, then it's just a mistrade. But we shall see. But if NAS just opens at 930 and falls, I wouldn't be surprised. Live camera, having to go get the battery, you saved me from drawdown. So you know what? Charges to the game. We still here. We still here. And look at 30, Jay. Look at it. Look at it. We look like we might hold. I mean, I might be able to get my trade. It looks like we might hold it. 19,500. Big figure level. With the gap. It's really just a matter of timing. Yeah. I'm getting my cells right here. These are my cells. Now, yeah, I got it on here. I'm on one of the fundeds. No risk, no reward. If it's an L, at least it'll be 1 L. Let's see. RIP. I'll take that L. Fuck it. I was not looking for longs. Ain't nobody. I was not looking for longs on you. Alright, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Today was unfortunate as fuck. Alright, so let's just talk about this. So first things first. TP1 would have got hit. Right? That's the first thing. Second thing, it really stopped me out by a couple points just to fall. That's really unfortunate. And that's with me risking 100 points. Risking 100 points on NAS and still getting stopped out is crazy work. It's crazy work. But I ain't gonna lie. What time is it? It's 10:37. I'm about to start getting some stuff ready for the day. I'm about to just get the rest of my day started. Fuck the charts. Fuck NAS. Markets are... they're bullshitting me, man. And when it comes to US 30 dropped. It did everything I wanted to see it do. It just never gave me the entry. NAS, the trade, you know what? I'm not even gonna get stuck on it. Let's move on with the rest of our day. All right, so you guys probably seen the clips, but we have all these trees in the background. The real trees we had. If you've been watching the vlogs for a couple months now, you already know. I used to have trees on the balcony. Them shits died. Them shits died. So these are fake trees. These will actually... they're not going to survive because they don't fucking exist. They're going to look good, though. That's the main thing. I'm finally going to have some greenery around my eyes. I got 2 plants for inside the house, too. Don't know where I'm going to put them. Probably put them somewhere in the living room just to add some greenery and stuff in there. And then probably put one in the bedroom, maybe. I don't know. But now we have a whole lot of plants and everything. But We got food too, so she can cook. We got myself a suitcase and everything. So when we go to Puerto Rico at the end of the month, not the end of the month, when we go to Miami at the end of the month, I have that to travel with. And when we go to Puerto Rico, we have that to travel with. So it's just a lot easier to travel. But besides that, yeah, haven't really done too much time. So yeah, we're about to go home. She has work at 3. We're gonna make some food and everything because we got stuff from Target. And then from there, all the work and everything continues when it comes to the content, when it comes to the day in the life, when it comes to anything entrepreneurship. It's all gonna get done after that. And now it's time to clean up the kitchen, clean up everything. Yo, watch your fucking mouth, young boy. No. What's up, dogs? How y'all feeling? What's up? You ain't say hi to the camera. Say hi to the people. Let them know. Let them know. Subscribe and show love and like and comment below. Right. All right. So right now, girlfriend's at work and everything. Why is it so? Okay. Camera setting was a little bit off. Not sure how long it's been off, but it was off. But like I was just saying before they started being louder shit in the background, my girlfriend's at work. She made food and everything. Food is done. I'm about to hop on a meeting with my boy Nick. You guys have seen Nick before. I don't know if he's gonna join while the camera's here, but I'm about to interview him because he just got his first payout. He's been trading for a little bit now. He just got his first live account payout. Not a prop firm. He has a couple funded accounts that he's gonna be looking to get a payout on right now. But we're gonna talk about everything, how his journey's been, how his trading has changed since being on the team. All the above, just talk about Nick. I might give a little clips. It's gonna be recorded. It's gonna be its own YouTube video on a whole other channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But with that being said, let's get straight into it. Let's get some value and let's learn about the journey in itself. This is gonna be more about Nick and not about me. About to get started, but here, before we get into it, Nick, you wanna say anything to the YouTube before we get into the interview?
Yeah, anything is possible. Put your mind to it. Do not stop. Do not give up. Don't be like the other 99%. Be the top 1% of your class.
That is a fact. All right, so I just got done on the call and everything. If you want the clips, if you want the full video, it'll be posted. I don't feel like putting no links to it. But I also seen right over here that another person, Michael, got his first ever payout. So $1,200 on my funded futures. Not bad, Michael. Not bad. And he sent that at 3:30. Divine timing. Divine timing. But like, if he could do it, if Nick can do it, so can you. That's 2 first payouts in one day. Come on. I ain't even get a payout today. Results don't lie. The results don't lie. If I could do it, you could do it. If Nick could do it, if Michael could do it, why can't you, man? Stop making excuses. Just get the fucking work. And speaking of getting to work, I gotta edit some content. I got more work to do. Hey, I wish I could be like these dogs. They got no care in the world. They just laying down, doing nothing. Yo, young boy. You got that rent money, young boy? What about you? Speaking of rent money, y'all want to know something funny? Before I go edit this video, look at this. When I posted this story earlier on my Instagram, this is kind of funny. But look, this story right here, I peeped, I was watching it, and I was like, what is flying over me? And I was like, wait a minute. A fly landed on me. And then I posted it just like this. Look, when I realized, and then I posted, I was like, he trying to live rent free. I'm like, bro, the fly really landed on my head. What's he trying to say? I stink or something? Fly's lucky I didn't catch him. I would have killed that boy. Look at him. And while we're here, hey, if you want to learn how to trade for free, get that free trading training, man. That free trading training. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. And yeah, more screenshots. 4.4K in the last week. Showing the Henkel trade withdrawals. You know how it be. But I got to get to work. All right, so it's the next morning. As you guys saw from the previous clips and everything when we went to the stores, I got the plants in the back. I ended up not bringing them upstairs because we ended up having too much stuff after we left Target to bring it all up together. I only have so many hands and my girlfriend only has so many hands, and we had the wagon upstairs in the apartment. So we ended up leaving the plants in here while we took all the food and groceries and everything. But neither here nor there. That's why that's in the back. But right now I'm on my way to the house. I just took my girl to work. And then from now, we got to get some trades, man. We got to get some trades. Monday we had a break-even trade. Yesterday we had an L trade. Today we're going to get a W? I don't know. The one difference between today and any other day is we just had CPI about 40 minutes ago. Right now it's about 9:10. At 8:30 in the morning we have CPI. I don't trade CPI. Personally, I'd rather stay away because it's unpredictable. You know what I mean? I'd rather put my money in a better situation. I'd rather have it in a higher probability situation. But you know what? To each their own. But to people that don't know what CPI is, you definitely shouldn't be trading CPI. And to the people that don't have a lot of money to be trading CPI, if you're not trying to blow your account, if you're not trying to potentially risk that account you're trading, don't do it. But we're about to be on the way home right now. I'm stuck in this Tampa traffic. I think I should be able to get home before 9:30, God willing. But Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. We're just here for the ride. But yeah, I'll see what's up. If I join the call on my phone just to talk to them and everything while I'm in the car because I'm bored as shit in traffic, I'll probably put some clips. But until then, let's see you at the crib. Like this, like I missed this. I wouldn't even say I missed it. It never came down, but it's going bullish. It looks like I said, it was gonna hold this previous day's high. I didn't want to take a trade if it was gonna hold the previous day's high, but I mean, it looks like it's playing off it. US 30. Yeah. I want US 30 to be bearish, so definitely try to hold that previous day's high. I wanted it to come to this 1 hour gap around 19,600, like I was telling you on the car. And as retracing, let's see. You're gonna be able to get these longs. Let's see. I'm about to see what this will line up with on the fib. If this also lines up with like the fib level, I think this would be a nice area. I ain't gonna risk nothing crazy. I'm only gonna take this on one account. Continuation level, yeah, it's right around the continuation level. What about the 50%? Yeah, right within this area. If we could retrace into this area right here, I think I'll watch the longs. But if it don't, then I'll miss it. I need to at least go to this gap bare minimum, right where my alert is. And that's like just barely tapped the fib level, 30.20%, and then start pushing. Let's see. Hopefully, don't just fly from here. That'd be unfortunate. But we got 9 minutes. I don't know if I want to take the longs right here. What time is it? Especially because it's about to close. Like, this is an awkward close. Like, if we, like, yeah, it's an awkward close. Because now if we close like this, I need a big push. Even I would rather get in off a wick or something right here. I don't know. Might just leave it at nothing. I mean, when in doubt, do nothing, man. At least you'll keep your account. I'll probably just give it till 10 though, bare minimum. But yeah, got a little paper trade idea. See what the paper trade can do. Calling it for the team. I mean, if y'all want to take the trade idea on your account, but like I said, it's just all a matter of you only risk what you're willing to risk. If you ain't willing to lose it, don't risk it. People, yeah, flip like that, bro. That shit flip fast. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it flipped fast. Yeah, the trade idea is TP1. Sorry, Canada. Sorry. Nah, there we go. That's TP2 on that trade. For anybody that took the trade, that's TP2 now. That shit just went stupid. That shit went stupid. Hey, the one trade I ain't take. You know what? Go fuck yourself, man. But look at the risk, though. The risk is what's important. I ain't risked it 100 million. You get what I'm saying? I just got a lot of leverage. I just got hella leverage. You know what I'm saying? But I'm in here risking $1,000. Risking like 0.001% of my shit. Exactly, bro. I could have popped 100 lots, 100 contracts. I was being humble. But now TP2 got hit right there. That's where I would have exited the trade. But this right here, for people that are in the trade, this is where you should have been getting out. Because this is literally the exact idea that I called for you guys earlier. Look, it went right back to TP1. It went right back to TP1. Right here. That would have been all you needed. Nice little 1 to 2. That would have been the only trade of the day. What? I would have made the loss back from yesterday. Plus some. It's all good, though. Alright, so I ended up not taking no trades on my live account, nor did I take it on the funded account. I called a paper trade for the team, so it was a good trade idea for them. They ended up catching the trade. They ended up making some money on the funded accounts or live accounts or challenges, whatever they took the trade on. I called the trade specifically for them. Me personally, I wasn't as confident taking the trade on my live account. I wasn't going to trade the funded, so I didn't take it. Like I told you guys earlier in the video, the main days that I don't trade are CPI days, FOMC days, NFP days, just because they're not high probability days. There's going to be better days out there. I'd rather have the money to trade tomorrow. I'd rather have the money to trade on Friday in comparison to try to force something on a day like this. It's just not high probability, so it's not going to make the most sense. Keep the money in your account for a high probability situation. If I win 1 to 2 good trades this week on the live account, I can get another withdrawal. And I can make money for the week. So I'm just going to be patient and let it come to me. So with that being said, I do got to hop on a call with one of my students. I hopped off the call with everybody else a little bit earlier just so I can hop on a call with him just because I'm not going to be taking a trade, so there's no point. Yo.
What's going on, baby?
Put all of it to work, but it's good that you're actually starting to see results with it. The main thing I also say is to start trying to journal all of it. So that's the one thing that's going to be very vital. When it comes to your demo trades, when it comes to your paper trades, when it comes to any trades that you're taking, make sure you journal them, whether it's a win or a loss, because depending on what happened, you're going to be able to use that information for the future. You're going to be able to use the stuff that you're doing right, the things you're doing wrong, what's working, what's not working, and it's going to be, yep, just like that, because then you're going to be able to use that same information, and that's what's going to allow you to essentially move faster than other people, because a lot of people will take losses, they'll take W's, and there'll be no intention behind learning from it. But if you have the intention to learn from it, the intention to get better from whatever happened, you're going to be in a better situation than the majority of other people, which is beneficial. But it just takes like little things, like just writing down the specific details of why you got in the trade, maybe how you're feeling when you got in the trade, the thought process behind the trade, and then whether the trade won or didn't win. Because then based off of that, now once you start getting a couple weeks, a couple months of data, you'll be able to see what days are hitting the most, what setups are you take the most that are winning, which ones you're taking that are losing. It's just being able to get all the data from what you're doing to essentially keep moving yourself forward.
Yeah, bro, that risk management shit. Cause like you said, like I keep doing it, right? Like I just gotta do what I gotta do. Like it's really all like what I gotta do type shit. Money part, like even if I'm risking like 500, let's say I want to flip 500 and like.
Alright, right now I just hopped out the shower and everything. I'm about to hop on Instagram Live. We about to go active with the team, give some value to the chats and everything. Let me get my holder for my phone. My dog's trying to sneak out on the balcony. But yeah, like I was gonna say, about to give some value. I haven't gone on live in a couple days. I also haven't been to the gym in a couple days because the first 2 days that I did go back to the gym after fucking my wrist up from snowboarding, I injured myself pretty bad, and that shit put pain on it. And a lot of people in the comments were telling me just to take 2 weeks off, just to be patient, because they went through the same thing, and them trying to work out just simply just made it worse. So I'm just taking a couple of days off from the gym. I'm not slacking. Trust me, I want to go to the gym. The last time I tried to go to the gym, you guys seen it. I damn near fucking crippled myself in my own apartment, and I wasn't even doing heavy weights. I was only using 20-pound weights, which is already lower than what I usually use. I can't do push-ups. I might try to do a push-up. If I could do a push-up, that might change a lot. But first things first, let's go on Instagram Live first. I'm going to give you some clips and everything. As you know, daily game, daily value. But if you want the full live clip, follow me on Instagram. Okay. CPI is not the things that we played with. You into crypto, XRP? Nah, I'm not into no cryptos. Funnily enough, I went to my Robinhood and I had $60 invested into Bitcoin. I don't know why, but yeah, I thought bro was actually in jail. Oh my God. Nah, he's in Instagram jail. He got 130 days. Time's going by fast. Time's going by fast, but not fast enough. 130 days is a long time. That's a lot of missed opportunities, a lot of lives that could have been changed. Especially with you, you got a lot more followers. Like you could easily be having a couple hundred people. But it's all good. Patience, patience. True. I was low-key trying to hit TP, but got edged. Hey, expectations during CPI, can't have them. No expectations. Wins, that's what I like to hear. Yo, do you think NASDAQ is going up for the rest of the day? I think last time I checked everything, they were all falling. I'm not sure, to be honest. Personally, if it fell again, I think it's just going to slowly short lower, but I haven't looked at the charts in a little bit. Should I tell my family I want to trade and I don't want to go to college? I would say you got to actually do something, because just because you want to trade, you don't have no results to just skip college. If you want to take a gap year, that's cool, but I mean, in my opinion, your family isn't going to, unless you live in a family where if they tell you to do something, you have to do it, it's your life at the end of the day. Nobody's going to make you do anything. So it's just a matter, do you want to tell them? Sure. Do you have to? Not necessarily. I would say smart, but every situation is going to be a little bit tricky when it comes to family. After you trade, what do you do? Gym? It depends. Gym, content, Instagram Live. I had a one-on-one call earlier, so that's usually things that I do after the trading session. What's a good broker to trade futures? I say Tradevate. Tradevate is probably going to be the top one when it comes to futures. That's the main one that I use when it comes to the prop firms. You traded CPI today? No, I don't trade CPI. What size contracts do you trade and what's your risk reward? I usually use about 1 to 3 contracts in my risk reward. I average like 1 to 2s. Sometimes a little bit more, but the average is 1 to 2. So I'm usually going for a 1 to 2. Anything more is just extra. You swing trade or scalping? I would say day trading. Are you vlogging today? Yeah, for the most part, I'm vlogging every day. Doesn't mean there's going to be video every day, but for the most part, I'm vlogging every day. What's your favorite model? I would say right now, I definitely like the imbalanced plays. Like I definitely like when we're trending and prices has a smooth retracement. I just keep taking the trend where it's going to go. How do you put money into your broker? Crypto. You buy the crypto, then you send the crypto to the broker, then from the broker, now you trade that money. And if you get a withdrawal, you withdraw it through crypto, then from that exchange that you bought the crypto, you now put it into your bank. How long did it take your YouTube to jump off? I've been making content for over 10 years, but I would say it took me about, what is it? My friend Giovanni joins your calls and we're both on a grind for success. Giovanni, is he the one that's part of the team? Giovanni was the person I was on a one-on-one call with this morning too. If that's who you're talking about, then yeah, 17, right? He's 17. If you ever trade in the afternoon, what pair would it be? The only trades I pay are, the only Pairs I trade just 30 or that's 100, but I don't trade that from them. You take supply and demand zones is very effective. No, I don't trade supply and demand. Yes, now yeah, that's him. Yeah, he's part of my mentorship. Made a nice little 1100 this morning off NAS. Now good work, bro. Now just keep that money and don't lose it going into the rest of the week. All right, team. So right now I'm actually inside of the new temporary car. Feeling like Batman. By the look on the seats, you can see what we in an M5. I like the ambient lights. First things first. The one thing I like about the car I never knew is it had like these shades. Like there's an executive mode that I can make it like executive, and it'll make the blinds in the back all like go down, even though there's not a lot of space in the back seat. This is cool. I haven't really played with the sunroof either. How does this work? Sunroof go like this. I don't know how the sunroof works, but yeah, we're in an M5. Like I told you guys, I'm going to Miami in about a week or so, and I was planning on getting an M3 while I was out there. For the people that know, for the people that, if you knew, you knew. But I was planning on getting an M3, but I was going to be paying a pretty hefty price, and I was still going to have to bring my car all the way down there and then rent the car. That just made no sense. But this car, I'm going to have it for 15 days. I got a good price because the guy that rents the cars, I'm going to put him on and everything. So if you know, check him out. I'm going to have a whole better video and everything all explaining the car. But like I said, we got time with this car. Right now, my girlfriend has my car, but she went to get her mango sticky rice from this Japanese place. And then she's coming here. And then I'm trying to get some food. I'm hungry as shit. But so far, I like the car. I like the seats. It's comfortable. I like the ambient lighting. Now, I'm just really trying to learn all this stuff over here. Like in terms of learning all the modes. I'm pretty sure when this is on, that means the valves are open. So that makes it louder. This is drift. No, that's dynamic chassis. Dynamic mode. Oh, dynamic mode. Okay, it's better for steering. Okay. Okay, okay. So it has an M dynamic and there's a sport handling. Plus there's this. Plus the M modes. If you notice, I have it in sport, but if I hold it, it'll put it in track. I ain't gonna put it in track because I'm here right now. I never really looked in here. I'm pretty sure I can move this forward. How do I open it? Oh, it opens like this. Okay, now what I was expecting. But I like the seats. The seats are like bucket seats. Like, look at this. It's a great seat. Great seat and everything. But how do I open this up here? Like, I'm confused. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be this. I'm not sure. I got a GoPro and everything. I went and got it from Best Buy, but unfortunately, that shit didn't come with an SD card. Like, how I buy a $200 GoPro? That shit don't even come with an SD card. But I'm about to grab my cologne from my Mercedes. If you want a little cologne, here you go, Valentino. This is a limited edition one, so you might not be able to get it. If you order it from the website, you probably can. But like I was saying, right now I'm about to go get food, and then after I come back, eat the food and everything, I'm getting a Waffle House. I'm gonna come back to the crib, chill for a little bit with my girlfriend, and then we're gonna head to a couple stores, and then I'm gonna go to Best Buy so I can buy an SD card for the camera so I can try to get some POV vlog footage. I'm also gonna be having another channel when it comes to the car that we about to get in right now. It's just beautiful. I'll give you a nice little cold start. Not cold, but that's that good John. Good little start. And now I'm gonna put it in race mode. Let's get this CarPlay on. And yeah, I'm about to go get this food. I'm hungry as fuck. So yeah, I'll see you at some point. But as you can see, I love this display. This is one thing I do like about it. I love this display. This is beautiful. And it's touchscreen. It's amazing. But look, Waffle House, let's go. Oh man, so this is the first time I'm using the GoPro right now. I just left Best Buy. Let me see. So if I'm facing forward, I think I should have the camera a little bit higher up. How this is gonna be with this little camera setup and everything. Bing, bada boom, bada bong. But yeah, we gonna drive right over to where my girlfriend is. She's literally in the store right over there. Yeah, I just gotta go get her because I just came over here to Best Buy before the stuff closed and everything. But besides that, we about to be active and see what we could do ski. Let me put the windows down a little bit too so you can hear it a little bit. Is there like a, oh yeah, there is a thing up there. We about to see what's gizzle. I'm gonna have more content on the way home, than like driving over right now, but this is literally like the first time using it after getting the SD card inside of it. I'm gonna give it a nice little. Alright, she's going back in to return something. I'm gonna be waiting out here. I don't know about it, just wait over here. We're almost going on the road. For the people that want to see the POV, you're gonna see it soon. There's a cop over there, so I can't draw too much. But you know what I can do? I can go near him because I am waiting outside of the store. Y'all wouldn't believe what's happening right now. So as of right now, we're in the BMW, right? And we felt like it's jerking and everything. Like, bro, the axle snapped. The axle snapped. Like I wasn't something I did. We could feel that it was a little jerking, but we were just driving and that shit just fully snapped. So right now we got it parked on the side. But fortunately enough, like I told you guys, my guy be getting me right. So he's gonna swap me out for a C63 in the morning. But we gotta get this car towed. So I'm about to have it parked off and everything, get it in a good location just to make sure it's secure. But besides that, yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. I'll show you guys outside, but we're about to have to Uber home. It's a crazy tale of events. The car was amazing. Like, the car was fast as shit. I even got some footage with the GoPro and stuff before the car, you know, wanted to snap. I thought it was the rim. I honestly, not the rim, I thought it was a tire. I honestly thought we had a tire. It looked like the same car drove by us. But I honestly thought it was a tire. That's what it felt like. It felt like a pop tire. It was like the axle snapping. It's just crazy. Never been through that before, but first time for everything.
It's like bouncing. It's like bouncing.
The guy?
The car.
Oh, this one? Bad John, but hey, look, a tow truck. Help us. But yeah, until I gotta get back to the crib now. I'm not, honestly, the vlog's probably gonna have to come to an end because of how late it's gonna be if I wanna get this upload out. But yeah, time to pack everything up and then get the fuck up out of here. Alright, let me get out this car and show you it. Get this car out parked over here. Oh my God, BMW. You were a good car. M5's top was going stupid. But if you look over here, for one, keep the tires, and two, the tire is literally cooked. Like, this is literally cooked. Hold on, I'm about to fix this tire though, look at it.
No, it looks like it's like hitting the top of the car. Just stop.
Alright, so we're back at the crib. So far, it's a pretty long video. It's like 27 minutes. I added a little bit of the GoPro footage. Let me know what you feel about the GoPro footage. For the people that didn't like when I would record on the Ray-Bans in the car, you actually have a full length everything now. So that's good. And just let me know how you feel about it. There's going to be a lot more GoPro content coming in soon. That looks like it's going to be the end of the M5 content. It was fun while it lasted. C63 in the morning is unfortunate, but you know what? I don't know who was driving that car before me. I don't know what they did to that axle. I don't know how they were driving it, but it's a fast car. It's a 600 horsepower car. In the wrong hands, I'm honestly not surprised. I'm honestly not surprised the car wasn't more dogged out, to be honest. For considering how fragile that axle was, I'm surprised. Because I didn't think anything was really wrong with the car, to be honest. It felt smooth. With that being said, if you guys want to work with me one-on-one, if you want to be able to make your first 5 figures when it comes to day trading, click the first link in the description, get the one-on-one coaching, make sure you apply in the description. And if you want the free trading training that teach you everything when it comes to what it takes to be a successful, consistent trader, get the free trading training. It's also in the description. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's daily video. it was an interesting day, but we lived to trade another one.